sneeze, germs at 100 miles per hour. One human sneeze can blast over 100,000 germs across an entire room at nearly 100 miles per hour, turning a simple achoo into a high-speed biological bomb. That lightning-fast burst doesn't just stop a few feet away. Tiny droplets, invisible to the naked eye, race through the air, landing on surfaces, clothing, and even people standing yards away before anyone even has a chance to react. Within that explosive cloud, each droplet can carry viruses and bacteria, making a single sneeze a powerhouse for spreading colds, flu, or even more serious illnesses in seconds. A harmless-looking tickle in your nose can turn a crowded space into a germ battleground. So the next time you hear someone sneeze across the room, remember, it's not just sound traveling through the air, it's a microscopic storm moving faster than most cars on the highway.